everyone, my name is Norma Flores, and today I have made a xylophone out of crochet hooks and little paper cups. And the crochet hooks that I used are sizes N, K, J, and H. And now I will play for you Baby Shark. Hope you. The crochet xylophone can easily be used in the classroom because it does not require many things. It could be crochet hooks, it could be branches or nails in different sizes that children can either bring from home, they can borrow from their parents, or their parents can bring them in. And little paper cups are easy to come by, or even styrofoam cups can be used in the classroom. And that way children can make their own instrument at home, or they can think of another instrument that they can make as well.